I'm in Clever School. I'm going to talk about there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't. So if we talk about singular things, we use there is a book for positive sentence, but for negative sentence, we say there isn't a book. For example, there is a pen on the table, there is a pen on the table, there isn't any pen on the table. But if we talk about plural things, we use there are some pens on the table for positive sentence, but for negative sentence, we use there aren't any books on the table. Thank you for watching.